In this video, I'll show you how to solve the ALEKS problem called predicting the reactants or products of alcohol oxidation. So this problem is giving us a structure of an alcohol, and it's asking us to predict the product of the oxidation of that alcohol. It is telling us that the reaction is being run under mild conditions. Now, in this reaction, in the oxidation reaction, I'm going to redraw our starting material right here. In the oxidation reaction, we are focusing on the carbon-oxygen bond. This reaction specifically removes a hydrogen atom from the oxygen, and it also removes a hydrogen atom from the carbon of the carbon-oxygen double bond. Now, you do have to be careful because not every single carbon atom in these molecules is going to have a hydrogen atom attached to it. This particular carbon atom we can see has 4 bonds, and none of those bonds are to hydrogen, which means that this carbon atom has no hydrogen atom attached to it, and therefore it's not able to actually do this reaction. On the actual ALEKS problem itself, down here underneath the box in this area, there's going to be a spot where you can indicate that no reaction is going to occur. And therefore, there is nothing for you to draw in this product space. Now, let's just pretend that you were given a different molecule, not this one right here, something that's maybe a little bit more interesting for this problem. I'm just going to make this as the molecule. Let's say that this is the problem you were given on ALEKS, and you're being asked to predict the product of this reaction. Again, let's go through the motions. This reaction focuses on the carbon-oxygen bond, and it removes a hydrogen atom from the oxygen, and it also removes one of the hydrogen atoms from the carbon that's attached to the oxygen. In this case, we do have a hydrogen atom present, so we are going to be able to remove the 2 necessary hydrogen atoms. When those hydrogen atoms are removed, the single bond between the carbon and oxygen becomes a double bond. So the product of this reaction is going to have a double bond to the oxygen.